Oh, what a mare. I've got some silo muck up here now. The silo packed in yesterday. We was hoping to have them sorted this morning, but it ain't. So what we've done is we've took the dust out the back, took it over to a mixer and knocked it up in a mixer. And what we're hoping that we need a new worm. The worm has worn down and it keeps popping off of the back, so we need a new worm. So we're hoping that one of the contracts managers has gone to get a worm, so hopefully we get going. But we're going to take this brickwork up, and then we've got the walls, this wall, these two walls here and that wall there to crack on with. We're also waiting for some lintels to turn up, so I'm hoping they turn up and I'm hoping that worm gets fixed. So we're trying our best, we're trying our best.
Popping bottle champagnes all night, running up your mouth like it's all fine. She looking like a she looking like a in a skirt tight. 또 뭔데 자꾸 어쩌고 저쩌고 입을 놀리는 거야. 너 혹시나 예쁘다고 질투하는 거야? 그래봤자 타격감은 1도 없을 텐데 시크하고 유니크한 거 그게 난 Every day and night 다 나답게 다 나답게 Every day and night 당당하게 날 스캔하는 이 남자 한수 잘해 나였음 벌써 이미 패스. 너 뭔데 자꾸 비주얼 고주얼 일러 바치는 거야. 너 제가 죽으려면 죽는 신용이라도 할 거야? 좀 주체적으로 살아봐. 인생은 말이야 네가 없으면 방몸으로 살아야 될 거 아니야. Every day and night 다 나답게 다 나답게 Every day and night 당당하게
Yeah, we'll know what it is. It's only going to be a little, it's probably only going to be a brick, isn't it, or something? She's an easy lover. What is it? Oh, right. Got ya. What is it? If you're wondering why I'm running me fucking fingers over it, so I've got to get a jointer out. It's got to be jointed. It looks exactly the same with your finger. Sorry, geese. You like my dust in your mouth? So we've pretty much done everything we can do. Just gonna have a little tidy up. We've got everything up to lintel height, through the front, through the back. This is ready for lintels and that. I've got a day on here with a hod carrier to finish off, but we're going back to B30 tomorrow to go and lay some fucking trench blocks.